Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply create an OnlyFans account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in OnlyFans, and right here you just want to write an email, or like, I don't know, sign up with a Twitter here. Okay, authorize application. It's up to you, and voila, this is how you create an account. So the first thing you want to do is just simply upload a profile picture, upload a cover image. This is what you can do. Add your bank account or payment information. Just add some bio here, the about you, location, where are you from, website URL if you have it, and also add your Amazon wishlist. So this is the first thing you need to do. Then you get like username here, security, notifications that you can turn it off, turn it on. And when you're gonna see the home, you're gonna see suggestions here, right? And here you can simply find some users to follow. Or when I'm going to create in settings, my location, save changes. You can simply search users here. And yeah. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And this is how you can create an account and follow someone here. So like, I don't know, look at this. And you can simply subscribe to her. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.